Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create new Yahoo account. So, first of all, you want to open your browser, so in my case it is going to be Google Chrome, and you want to go to the web page that is called yahoo.com. So just open a new tab or just write in a Google. Oh, sorry, let me reopen it. Just type here yahoo.com or just search in Google yahoo.com and just go to this web page. Then you want to go to this sign in option right here, and then you want to click on create an account. And now let's just place here your first name and your last name, and in my case it is going to be HardReset, and the new email is going to be HardReset.Tutorial@yahoo.com. Here you are going to be asked to select your password, so place your password here, then give the date of your birth. It can be the correct date, it can be the date that you imagine, it doesn't really matter. It just in case if you want to have the notification about your birthday. So then you want to click continue, and here you need to place your recovery mobile number. So you actually need a mobile number to create an account. So let me just put mine. And now the Yahoo is going to send you a code, the verification code to create the account. And as you can see, you need to do some captcha right here. And click continue. Now you are going to be asked to send the code. So in my case this is the code. It already came right now, so just click next. And as you can see, we have created the Yahoo right now. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.